our input string is my input pointer is always pointing to the initially A, and our stack is this one. So now what is my logic? So whenever A's are occurring, I need to perform the push operation, and whenever the first B, I will perform the skip operation, and the second B, I will perform the pop operation. Again, one B, I will perform the skip operation. Again, for the next B, I will perform the pop operation. Again, one skip and one pop operation. So this is the logic what I am going to follow. So see here, I am just doing step by step. So here first input pointer is A and topmost symbol of the stack is Z0. So whenever A's are occurring, what is my operation? I need to perform the push operation. So like this, A comma Z0 A comma Z0, I can go to the, okay, I can drive the text. A comma Z0, and it will go to the A Z0 initially. So I have pushed the one symbol into the stack. A, I have pushed it into the stack. So next one is, so next one, my input pointer is again pointing to the next A. So again, we know that. So input pointer is A and my topmost symbol of the stack is A. So A comma A, what I am going to perform? I am performing A comma A. So this is what transition I am giving. And later, now this any number of A's, this is allowed. Any number of A's. For the next A also, we are performing the push operation. So till now, we don't have any problem. So next one is, whenever B's are encountering, for a first B, what is the operation I need to perform? First B, I need to perform the operation, that is, what is my input pointer? My input pointer scanned up to the A. Now my input pointer is pointing to B. So now B and again, see here, like this, I have pushed 3 A's into the stack, because 3 A's are pushed into the stack. The transition is A comma A will work out for all the transitions. Now my input pointer is pointing to the B. My input pointer is pointing to the B, and my topmost symbol of the stack is A. For first B, what I have given, whenever first B, I am giving the logic as a first what is operation? First one is for A, push operation, and I am performing. For the next B, I am performing skip operation. So initially you have to identify this logic, and the final B, I have to perform the pop operation. Finally, I need to perform the pop operation. So like this, we need to construct. So now for initially, now B is pointing and my topmost symbol of the stack is A. So what is the skip operation? Skip operation, you cannot perform the pop operation. So stack will be remain same. Stack will be remain same. This 3 will be remains. This 3 A's will be remain same. So for the first B, I am performing here. See here, B comma, my input pointer is what my input pointer is this B comma, topmost symbol of the stack is A. Topmost symbol of the stack is A. So what operation I am performing? So here what we are doing is B comma A. What is the skip operation? Because the topmost symbol of the stack is A only, so it has to be A. It has to be A. So skip operation. Now we are performing the pop operation. From this, for the next B, I am performing the pop operation. For the next B, I am performing this B. This is, I am performing pop operation. This B, I am performing skip operation. So now B comma A, I am performing pop operation. I am performing pop operation. So now again I need to perform skip operation. For a single A, again this has to be repeated. So this process has to be repeated. So again I need to perform the skip operation. So in order to repeat this one, I will give here B comma A, I am performing skip operation again. So for third B, I am performing skip operation, and again for fourth B, I am performing pop operation. So though, if you have any doubts, you can ask at end, because in order to open this chart, it is a difficult again. So B comma A, first I am performing skip operation. This I am performing pop operation. This is repeating skip and pop. So this is going to be repeated. So, and after completion of this, again input string, I am at state Q2, and it is going to the epsilon C. For every here first B, this B I am performing skip operation, and for the next this B I am performing the pop operation. That means whenever pop means what, A has to be removed. So again this B I am performing skip operation, and for the next B I am performing the pop operation. So this A I have removed. So next this B I am skipping, and for this B I am removing. This is also I am removing, topmost symbol of the stack. Now the stack is empty after completion of the input string. So if you want a final state like epsilon on Z0, because after completion of the input string, what it will be there? It will be epsilon, and topmost symbol of the stack is Z0. So it is going to the final state. So this is the final state. So this is very simple construction of the push down automata. So only thing is you need to understand the